So question 38, rotten apples. A box containing 40 apples, 10 of each of 4 different variety, has 5 rotten ones. If 2 apples are taken out without replacement, calculate A, probability of 2 rotten apples, B, probability of 2 apples of the same variety. So we're looking at part A, and if we read up here, we don't have to consider this 10 of each of 4 different varieties till part B. So we're looking at the 40 apples and the 5 of them being rotten. So we know that 40 apples total and 5 of them are rotten. Therefore, for the first draw, we know that it is 5 out of 40 chance of being a rotten apple. And then it says here, without replacement for the second one. So without replacement. Therefore, we have to take away 1 from the 40 because there's 1 less apple now. And because it was a rotten apple, we have to take 1 away from the 5 as well. So 40 minus 1 is 39, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, for draw 2, it'll be 4 out of 39 chance of being a rotten apple. Alright, so now we can determine and write it out as the probability of 2 rotten apples can be found by going draw 1 probability, which is 5 over 40, multiplied by draw 2, which is 4 over 39. And if we times the numerators together, we get 20. And then if we time the denominators together, if we put that in our calculators, we get 1,560. So the probability of getting 2 rotten apples is 20 over 1,560. We can also simplify this by dividing the bottom by 20 and the top by 20 as well, because where you do the bottom, you gotta do the top. And that gets us 1 out of 78. Therefore, the probability of drawing 2 rotten apples after each other is 1 out of 78 chance. Alright, for part B, we're forgetting about the rotten apples bit and we're looking at those different varieties. So still 40 apples total. However, 10 are from a certain variety. So if we look back up here, it says there are 4 different varieties, 10 of each, so there'd be 10 in the first one, 10 in the second one, 10 in the third, 10 in the fourth. So we're just looking at one of those, so there's 10 here. So we can go that draw 1, there is a 10 out of 40 chance of getting that certain variety. And now we have to use our without replacement. So without replacement, we have to take 1 from the 40, so that's 39. And this time, because we had 10 in that certain variety, it's 10 minus 1, that's 9. So that means for the second draw, we now have one less, so it's 9 out of 39. So now we can calculate the probability of 2 of that certain variety. So 2 same variety. That can be written out as 10 over 40 times 9 over 39. And same as the last, it's 3, 9. We can times the numerators and get 90. And same as last time, we multiply the denominators, and that gets us 1,560 again. And now we can simplify this. And we can't divide this one by 90, but we can actually divide it by 30. And that gets us 3 out of 52. Therefore, we can write the probability of drawing 2 of the same variety in a row is 3 out of 52. Thank you.